Here I have TCL 10 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you have to open Contacts, then select contact which you want to add a photo, tap Edit Contact, then you have to tap on the camera icon to add a photo, then you have to select if you want to take a photo or if you want to choose photo. Next, you have to select photo, adjust it, and confirm it here, and then tap save. And as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.